Imagine turning murky water into crystal clear potable water using nothing but an old tank and the magic of nature. Welcome to the world of slow sand filters. This ingenious method, used for centuries, relies on a simple principle: filtration through sand and gravel. The top layer, known as the biofilm or Schmutzdecke, is where the real magic happens. This layer, developed over weeks, comprises beneficial bacteria and microorganisms that break down harmful pathogens in the water. Building your own slow sand filter can be as easy as pie. All you need is an unused tank, layers of gravel and sand, and a bit of patience.
Slow sand filter is still, even after 100 years, one of the important way of purifying the water at larger scale. The most important part of slow sand filter is what we call sand bed. Sand bed consists of different layers of from gravel to sand. It starts from coarse gravel, then the fine gravel, then comes graded sand particles starting from coarse sand, which reaches up to minute sand particles having size of 0.2 to 0.3 micron. All these constitute the sand bed, which allows filtration, which finally goes to the pipe and finally result into potable water.
We shall now be talking about the vital layer. Before the formation of vital layer, this slow sand filter mainly acts as a mechanical strainer. Soon the sand bed gets covered with slimy gelatinous material. It consists of planktons, algae and bacteria. This is known as the vital layer. It is also known as the Zubier layer, biological layer and Schmutzdecke. And the formation of vital layer is called the ripening of the slow sand filter. It is the heart of slow sand filter. It mainly holds back the bacteria and organic matter, and therefore it yields the water which is free of all the organic